So hi guys, welcome to my channel and I am back with another DIY video. In this video, I will show you two wall decor ideas for your living room or bedroom, wherever you will like to place it. So the first decor piece are these cute A5 size frames. I will also show you how to create this abstract painting. These are easy to make. अगर आपको पेंटिंग बिल्कुल भी नहीं आती, then this painting is for you guys. So these are the materials you will need. So firstly, we'll need a watercolor paper or any cartridge paper. Stick it with masking tape from each side as shown. Then we'll stick this masking tape randomly wherever you want to or however you will like the design. मैंने ये स्टिक करने के लिए कोई डिज़ाइन फॉलो नहीं की है, जस्ट randomly I have created this. Now start painting each blocks with the mixture of two different colors. यहाँ पे आप कोई भी कलर्स कर सकते हो आपकी चॉइस के. Once it's done, then let it dry completely. Now we'll gently peel off these masking tapes one by one. Now you can draw any random things on this painting. I am drawing some flowers here. And lastly, you can write any short quote of your choice. And then just peel off the masking tape and your painting is ready. Now we'll start making the frame. Here I am using A4 size cardstock paper. The image shown here will help you for the measurements. I am creating an A5 size frame, so these dimensions are for A5 size. You have to cut the hatch part in the image. Now just follow the process. It will be easy for you to understand. Now I am doing this for decorating purpose. आप कुछ और भी कर सकते हो, जैसे पेपर फ्लावर्स और वॉशी टेप्स यूज़ करके. Now once it's done, insert any of the paintings you have created. मैं अपनी ये पुरानी पेंटिंग लगा रही हूँ. ऐसे सिमिलर वाटर कलर पेंटिंग का ट्यूटोरियल आपको मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे मिल जाएगा. प्रेस द आई बटन अबव हियर or the link is in my description box below. Now we'll start making this beautiful 3D geometric animal as a wall piece decor. Here I have drawn this geometric deer. You can print out any other animal of your choice. The images are available on Google. Now cover the paper using any clear plastic and stick from all sides. Now take these skewer sticks and stick one by one as shown. Now follow the procedure. Now let it dry and remove the art piece slowly and gently. Now coat the entire piece with a mixture of Fevicol and water. And then using spray paint, coat the entire piece with black paint. Once it's done, just brush some golden acrylic powder and your wall piece is ready. Thank you all for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. I will be back with another video soon. Till then, keep loving and keep inspiring.